This is my Royal Enfield Classic 500, aka Bertie. I don't know a huge amount about him. I suspect, looking at the exhaust, that it's a Hitchcock's exhaust. There is no baffle in it. I have bought one, but I've got so used to the noise now. Quite like it. I may try it and see what happens. But the finish on it is pretty good. I'm amazed by it, really. The colour is pretty good. I like the cream against the black. Looks very traditional. It's got heated grips. I don't use them. It came with them. I don't know what toll that will take on the battery. You also see this model has got the disc on the back as opposed to the drum, and I believe ABS. And it's just so comfortable, easy to ride, not very big. I love the dash, very simple, tells you everything you need to know. But it could tell you more, but it doesn't. And the mirrors, a lot of people change the mirrors. They don't like these Mickey Mouse mirrors. Find them fine, they don't vibrate too much, I can see out of them. The horn is amazing, better than some of my other bikes. And people look at you when you ride by, either in astonishment or amazement or envy, I'm not sure. But I don't care, I like it, love riding it. And built for these roads, I think.